Hello, I'm Oshien from Ajmer, Rajasthan, and currently pursuing my 18 months diploma from IBCA, Delhi. Before that, I was a teacher in 2019 and taught for 1 year, and Corona acted as a blessing in disguise as I started my cloud kitchen in Ajmer and got really good orders at that time and learned baking from YouTube. And at that time, I decided not to stop there and there in Ajmer and wanted to grow in this field. So luckily, one of my friend who is a chef recommended Chef Balinder Singh and this institute, IBCA. And coming here was the best decision I ever made, because now I could really differentiate my own self, what I was doing in Ajmer and what I am doing now, learning from IBCA. I would like to really thank our director, Chef Balinder Singh, and other chefs who stand still and really work hard on us and gave a lot of opportunities after we joined this institute. I would lastly like to thank all the chefs and this institute for making us who we are now. Thank you.